TooReal gang, what's good? This your boy, JemmyTooReal, and you already know it's 2025, and I'm back with another video, man. We turning this junk up a notch. You know what I'm saying? It's a new year, new vibes, new money, new hustle. I just dropped my baby off to her daycare, and yeah, I need to put on my seatbelt. But yeah, man, new. She go to a new daycare. But yeah, man, we finna get the day going. We trying to start off early. You know, the earlier, the better. You know, we get more done, and we make more money. You know, and it feel better to get off work early instead of late. You know, when the sun's still up. So I like to start early, 7:30 day. Be to the truck by 8. Get it warmed up. Check all my equipment. Make sure everything. I got some stuff in the back that I need to put in my new work box that Henry's Ornamental Iron had installed over the weekend, and I'm gonna let y'all see that. So thanks for tuning in. This your boy JemmyTooReal. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And you already know, I'll catch y'all when we get to the tow truck. Let's go. Yes, sir. Pulling up to the jungle with the gorillas. Lions, tigers, and bears we at. You know, 18-wheelers, food trucks, tow trucks, buses, you know, all commercial vehicles, ice cream trucks, installation trucks, all types of businesses and stuff, man. Time to get it in. Y'all see it. So this the new box I got added. As y'all can see, side by side is way bigger. He added a cover on that one like 2 weeks ago, and then he built this box. It's all iron, steel. It's mounted into the frame. It's welded. And at the bottom, as y'all can see, I got some space down here, but it ain't that much room between the ground. So I want to cut it up. Hopefully I can get him to cut it up. I'll pay somebody else because I know he tired. His mother just passed. So rest in peace to his mother. You know, I don't want to work him. And I know how it is when you lose a parent. As y'all know, mine passed when I was 3 years old. I'm finna get my jacket, man. I might not need it. But yeah, mine passed when I was 3. So like, that's how I developed my hustle. You know, that abandonment, just feeling alone, trying to survive, you know, those type of tactics and whatnot. Matter of fact, let me back my truck in. I'm gonna get my jacket just in case type shit, you feel me? Let me back in real quick, I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, TooReal gang, I'm sitting in the yard just waiting on something to happen. Hopefully he's going to go get my deliveries. I'm waiting on somebody to show up, anybody. That's how it is sometimes, man. Shoot, you show up, you ready to work, and other people not. Hey, that's how it go, man. I'm ready to work, man. I'm ready to put in this work, get my day going, get my day over with, man. I love working. Ain't nothing wrong with working. People think you not a hustler because you working a real job. They think hustling is just being in the street. Being in the street is not a thing, man. You can never survive trying to be in the street in today's world. It's just impossible. You have to have legitimate multiple hustles going on at one time. That's just how I go to survive in America. And being in the street too risky, man. Don't put your family at risk. So, man, them days of my life over with. I thank God, man. I pray to God and I thank God every day. A lot of people think that that's a thing, man. It used to be the thing, but it's not the thing no more. So let's pass that. Let's keep going. Let's keep investing in ourselves, investing in our future for our kids, and build these businesses, man, because that's where it's at. Now let's go get this tow. I got my first 2 loaded. JemmyTooReal gang, and it's an Audi and Altima. And we finna take it over here to trademark. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. It's like 8:40. And then I think I gotta head out south side and grab my other 2 doubles. Doubles all day, baby. That's how you gonna get paid. When I add these extra flatbeds to my company, that's all I want to see them do is doubles. That's all we do, baby. That's how we get paid. That's how we make the money. So yeah, let's stay locked in. Let's stay tuned. Let's get over the trademark. All right, TooReal gang, we got our 3rd vehicle strapped down. It's a Nissan Xterra. Yep, y'all see it, SUV. I picked it up for Copart, and guess what? They just sold it for $150. That's why I need a tow yard, so I could do we buy here cars and sell them and open up a dealership and, you know, start a whole nother business doing this business, making more money. Let's go to the next tow. All right, TooReal gang, I got my other 2 strapped up. I'm in Orange Park, Florida, and I got to drive all the way to Copart, Main Street, Jacksonville, Florida. They gave me these 2 big trucks to pull. Doing doubles, man. It's dangerous doing doubles, so you gotta make sure everything's strapped down, everything's secure, the right lights on, your beacon lights and all that stuff when you got extra vehicles on the ground. Let's roll. I got my next 2 delivered, y'all. Shoot, it was a little scary because the one I had on the lift, the back tire was acting like it wanted to catch a fire. And they 2 big vehicles. I ain't want to catch no fire on the highway. And I saw a state trooper. I ain't want him to mess with me. But I got them towed. I got them delivered. Hopefully they give me 4 more. That's the first 4 for this morning. Yeah, that's the first 4 for the morning. So hopefully they give me some more and we get this party going. They got the 2 back there. Dodge Ram pickup and Nissan Xterra. For to get out of here, find some more loads. Let's get it. All right, guys, I didn't get to do no more loads, man. I got up out of there. It just seemed like the vibe was off or something at Copart today. Then they gave me those 2 big trucks, and it was a little dangerous for me to tow them because I saw the back tire kept smoking up. So I just decided to get my box checked out. He cut the bar that was at the bottom, and now it's not touching the ground like it was, because I went and got some coffee from Dutch Bros, and that bar that was down here, it scraped the ground. So he cut this off, and that helped me out. That gave me another 3 inches. But realistically, I want him to raise it up some, at least 1.5 inches to about right here, and cut it back probably like 6 inches, so it's not sticking so far out. Because with it sticking so far out, I'm just scared I might clip something. So, you know, if y'all was to look down the side, you see what I'm saying? All that extra access room. So we might get something going, man. He said probably next week. His mother passed away. So again, like I said earlier, rest in peace to his mom. And next week, we'll get back to the business. But for the rest of this week, I'm gonna keep towing, keep doing what I'm doing, and execute my plan so I can go ahead and get my tow yard and everything else I'm trying to do with this towing business, take it to the next level. But y'all stay tuned, y'all stay real, y'all stay true. I'm glad y'all stayed tuned in, and y'all catch me tomorrow. We'll be back at it. Yo.